Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I are going to be using this layout. And this particular layout comes from Natalie DeSouza. That's how you say it. She did this for Pink Fresh Studios blog, and I will link it down in the description below off of her Instagram page. So I am taking some of the pages and stuff that I have left over from the All Heart collection, and I am going to do one more layout. I think I've got two more photos left to do for Kaylin's soccer, maybe two more layouts total, and to do for her soccer, and then I'm caught up on her soccer photos for right now. So as you can tell here, I am going through the tags. I pulled out all of my tags. Now the tags that you see, the tag punches that you see, they're all from Stampin' Up. And you can see that I'm kind of trying to keep it semi-organized for what I have here, because I'm going to put them all down. And I am making it a little bit of a busier background. I'm taking this realistic paper that was from this crepe paper collection and turning it into what I feel an amazing amount of goodness for her particular layout, or like her particular layout that I'm doing here. And so yeah, I am in my new Scrappy area. So if you have not followed me on my Insta stories at all, I changed around my room because I needed to do, I possibly could be teaching from home, and so I needed to use my wall space that was where I used to look at when I was in my old space, and I switched it around. But ultimately this actually made my videoing for my process video actually a lot better, because the layout, I feel like the colors and everything is a lot brighter. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if it is better this direction, because I still have the same lights, but I put them in different spots, obviously, because I had to switch it around. So you gotta let me know. You gotta tell me if this is better, lighting and whatnot. So I am now doing the bottom part. I will let you know that off camera, I do the stitching that's on this particular layout as well. Now you can't, I feel you can see it, but ultimately in the still shots, you'll definitely be able to tell that I did the stitching for sure. And the other thing too is that I back these tags up with some foam tape, little dimensionals from Stampin' Up, and I kind of place them in odd different spots to make it look like I'm trying to have it up, like got some dimension within, I guess, with this, if that's better, the better terms of what I'm trying to say, because I'm not quite sure how I want to say it, but I wanted to give it just a little bit of something different, because this is a pretty busy layout. But you guys know me, like, I make all of these pages work. I love the vintage look. I've always loved the way this has turned out. I think it is awesome the way I did it, and you guys know me. If it's not busy, it's not a Miranda layout at this point in my craft, if you want to call it my crafting career of doing this. I don't put that much, I do not put that much, what am I thinking of? Adhesive down, because I do not hand stitch, but I machine stitch this. So just as an FYI, that I do off camera. And when we come back, I will show you what I am talking about as what it looks like and whatnot. So these pictures, so there it is. I kind of, you see the stitching. I think you can see the stitching. So I decided to kind of put one side of this sticking up just a little bit, and I use up all of the tags. Like all of these big tags that you see in the corner there, I am using as my layering pieces because I want to get rid of them. Because I really don't know how to use them. I just felt that this would work so much better, and that's what I use. So I'm just getting these all like stuck down, and I'm going to distress them and all of that. And then I'm going to show you, I like the semi-title that I've got going on. In the Pursuit of Magic, it's down there. Let me see if it'll show up here. It's on the back page. It's right there. I'm kind of covering it up right now, but it's going to be shown, and I'm going to place this along that, and I put it off to the side so that my title can go kind of where she has it on her layout. Now, make sure that you go check out Laura while you're watching me do this part of it. There you go. See, that's what I was trying to do. I'm telling you, I'm showing without like physically showing you like what I'm trying to do, and you'll see how I place it down. I wanted to make sure that little bits show, because I feel that it is perfect for what these photos are. The photos are, every year I've been doing photos of her getting her shoes and stuff ready, like she's getting dressed and getting ready for like a game. I think, yeah, this one's for a game. She's getting herself ready for a game. And every year she always sits down right where I place all of her items, and she plops her butt down. In one photo, you can really see that her shoe is sitting there. She doesn't put anything away. It's all over the place, and that is exactly what I used to do when I was growing up. It's just something that I've always done, and I thought it was funny, and I wanted to capture all of that. So I'm just going through these. These stickers right here are from Wild Child, the girl side of it, and now I'm back in with that. So Happy Heart is going to be my title, and then you're going to see me do all of these like different little sayings all the way through this, and that's where I feel that I added a lot of a different setup than what she did. One, she does have a very simple layout, and it's funny, Laura and I did a very busy background and a busy layout, and I thought it was, you know, a little bit of, you know, funny for us, but at the same time, I do know that when a layout brings joy to both Laura and I, it becomes very busy. It's like we can't stop doing, what we're doing. That's hands down what we do for our layouts. And so I'm just sitting here and I'm placing down all the stickers, and I want to get some hearts in there, and I load this booger up. Like, there is tons of different things that I place in here. It's crazy. I'm just placing down all of these little bits and bobs, and I like this B that says be kind, because I think it's perfect. And then, like I said, I'm just going through and finding different little things. Oops, sorry. I try to stay on camera because I know where I need to be, but I do know that every once in a while I bring the layout down just a little bit. I'm getting better at what this looks like on camera, and so I'm starting, I think that I found my happy medium space for all of my layouts now. So definitely won't be seeing much change for this, but I still want to know what you guys think with my new setup, if this is a lot better for you guys, or if it's just the same, or if you didn't notice anything. And it's cool if you didn't notice anything either. That's, you know, cool too. At least then I know that it works. So I'm adding these butterflies and these small little hearts in these little spots, and this is where I come in and I just place different little sayings around. It works really, these little sayings work well for this, and then this is where I come in with those flowers and kind of just add little, you know, little marks here that kind of fill in those gaps that I may have left from the little sayings that I'm finding on this page. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to join my community here. It's a great little community. I am trying to work at getting to 2,500 all the way up to 3,000 so that I can give away my big prize that I have in stored for 3,000 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you. And then also hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time that I upload. I'm just slowly going through here. I do finish out with these puffy stickers, if I remember correctly, and then I do come in with the concrete from Shimmer's Paints, and I place the splatters all over, and then that is it. Make sure you go check out Laura's channel, along with checking out the rest of my Scraplist Sunday. It'll be linked up above if you want to see the playlist of everything that Laura and I have done before. Outside of that, the still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!